Welcome to another episode of Old vs. New. Today, we're diving into some fascinating fun facts about classic cars and modern vehicles. Did you know? Classic cars were often hand-built, showcasing artisan craftsmanship that made each one a unique masterpiece. Meanwhile, modern vehicles like electric cars are assembled with precision using state-of-the-art robotics and advanced materials. Here's a fun fact. The first electric car was actually invented in the 19th century. Fast forward to today. Electric cars are paving the way towards a greener future with zero emissions and impressive performance. On the other hand, classic cars often have rich histories and are prized for their nostalgic appeal and timeless designs. From analog dials to digital screens, the evolution of car interiors reflects advancements in technology and user experience. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or an eco-conscious driver, there's something fascinating about how cars have evolved over the decades. Which era do you find more fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts and debates.